Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'll be participating in another open collab. This one is called Gold Rush Party 2021, and we're going to be celebrating Kel's birthday. Kel, happy birthday, girl, and many, many more. The hosts of this collab are the Sophisticated Ladies Club, and their members are, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Girl, I love your name. I'm here for the philosophy. Tammy, Thompson, TVMG. Table Talk with Robin. Love My Babies Forever and At Penny's Place. Now, these fabulous divas are putting it down for the people on YouTube, honey, and you know I'm here for it. So, they task us with decorating any area of our home in gold. I hope you like what I've put together for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration to create some beautiful table decor in your home. Now, if you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and, baby, hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. So without any further ado, let's get on into it. To begin our tablescape, I've started with two blinged out mirrors that I have used as chargers before. And that was a DIY. And to that, I have some beautiful gold placemats. That I'm going to add a gold charger, and those are from Dollar Tree, of course. Next item, I'm going to come in with this ginger jar that I thrifted and then painted white. I'm going to add this lovely floral arrangement, all Dollar Tree florals, which I then painted gold. For our place setting, which I am using white as my accent color, I have a white square dinner plate. And I've had these for quite some time. To that, I have a thrifted gold and white bowl with the cattail print. And right on top of that, because these are smaller, just for that double layer, I'm going to add in this small saucer. And I thrifted all of those together with the teacups as well. I'm going to come in with a new item, and these gold and white coasters I picked up at the at-home store, $12.99. And I wanted you to get a good look at these thrifted plates with the gold and silver. I'm not sure if those are reeds or cattails, but it's a very pretty, subtle print, and I love that. So here are coasters. Next, I'm coming in with these beautiful gold-rimmed crystal wine glasses, and these were also a thrift find. I believe that I got them for $1 a piece. How gorgeous are they? Just beautiful. Another thrift find, I found these candlesticks. I believe they were $1.99 at the Salvation Army. And to that, I'm going to add white taper candle. I have gold ones, but the gold ones are a different shade of gold. And I mean, I do like mixed metals, but I just don't think that particular gold is working. For our napkin, I have these beautiful gold napkins with the geometric print on them. And those were also a thrift. So I'm going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again to form a square. And then I'm going to take it and kind of lay it on a diagonal to myself, and I'm going to come through and I'm going to give that a pinch pleat all the way through. And I hope you can make this out okay, how I'm just kind of coming through and pinching all the way down. I'm going to take that and hold it securely in the middle while I put the napkin ring on. And that gives us a cute little bow, which I think I'll lay at the top of our plate. Come back in with some flatware. And this gold and white flatware I purchased, and this is plastic. Because fall is on its way, I have some little nods to the fall season. So I have these little gold and white pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree, of course. And then I also have these little gourds. And I'm just gonna place them in near each place setting. And I'm kind of doing them right over our spoon. I have this gold kind of abstract pumpkin. I'm not even sure if it's meant to be a pumpkin, but it looked like a pumpkin to me. So I'm just gonna place that on our table as another little gold accent. They're not even votive holders. I had an old ceiling fan that had these tulip shades, and replaced that ceiling fan. And I thought these votive, tulip shades made really nice votive holders. And here is the final look. Gold Rush 21. Please stop by our host channels and show them some love. And all the other ladies who have worked so hard and participated in this collab. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the family. by clicking the subscribe button below and hitting that notification bell. Thank you again for watching. And until next time.